Ladies and gentlemen, from Arab, Alabama, Mr. James Irvin playing the drums for you. Alabama, you know what it is in Amsterdam. Got the finest women in the whole wide world. Them North Alabama mountain girls. Gonna sit in nothing better. I'm doing all right. Gonna dance on the Alabama Saturday night. Baby, dancing on the Alabama Saturday night. Muscle shoulder up in Huntsville. All the tiniest town on the highest hill. Now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. At the end of my week, when my work is through. Them folks out there are gonna do all right. Gonna dance on the Alabama Saturday night. Baby, dancing on the Alabama Saturday night. I lied and gold. I don't know, but I hear tell. You got standing room only down in here. Well, now, Lord have mercy, gonna do all right. Gonna dance on the Alabama Saturday night. Dance on the Alabama Saturday night. They're gonna do all right, gonna dance on the Alabama Saturday night. Yeah, we're dancing on the Alabama Saturday night. Yeah, Lord, we're dancing on the Alabama Saturday night. Mr. Rick Godfrey on the bass. Mr. James Irvin on the drums. And how about me?